everybody, this is Auntie Heather from Art Explorium. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a greeting card, a homemade greeting card with pressed flowers that you can find around your neighborhood or in your yard. Here's a couple examples of cards that I made just recently. So the supplies that you're going to need to make the card are a piece of paper. A little thicker is better if you have. Some newspaper. You're going to need some crayons or markers, and you're going to need some glue. If you want, you could mix your glue in a little container with a little brush, and then you can kind of paint it onto the paper. That makes your glue a little bit thinned out. And then to press your flowers, you're going to need a big heavy book and actually some other books that you can use to weigh it down. And you're going to need to gather some flowers. So you can just kind of find whatever you can find in your neighborhood. A little thinner and smaller are better. Here are some examples of the flowers that I used in my pressed flower cards project. So you can take a look at those and then just look around your neighborhood and see what else you are able to find. So we have our nice big heavy book, and as you can see, I laid out the flowers in the book on the piece of newspaper so I don't ruin the book. And we're ready to gently close up our book and lift it up so that the flowers can just get really nice and pressed down in there. And also, just to add a little more weight, we got some books from our Art Explorium library, and we're stacking those on top to give it a little more weight and to just really hold it down. We're going to leave it in there for about a week to 2 weeks, and then we'll come back. So it's been about a week and a half, actually more, because time flies. It's coronavirus time. So it's been a couple weeks, and it's time to open up our book and check out our flowers so that we can use them to make our card. Okay, so here's our book that we put the flowers in, and let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. So you can remember I put them in between newspaper, and here we go. They came out really cute. I have this fern here. Some of these little red ones. So great. So these are going to be great to use in my card. So let's get on with that. So now I'm ready to start making my card. I have my piece of paper, which I folded in half. And I have my flowers and my leaves. And then I have my glue, which I mentioned before. I mixed a little tiny bit of glue with water, just a little tiny bit of water. And I have a brush, but you don't have to do it that way. You could just use regular glue, or you could try a glue stick, different things. Just try it out, see how it works. And then I have my crayons, and I'm going to start arranging my flowers and gluing them onto my card. Now that you've glued your flowers and your leaves onto your card, you're going to need to let it dry for a little bit, and then you're going to get your markers or your crayons, and you can go ahead and add to your card. So maybe you want to write a message to the person who you're going to give your card to, or you can just add to it in any way that you want. So enjoy and have fun with this part, and then you're pretty much done. so much for joining Art Explorium today as we made pressed flower cards for somebody special. I can't wait to give these to my friend for his birthday. And I'm going to keep decorating, so I hope you will too. And we'll see you next time for our next video tutorial, and have a great day.